Anderson, Director of Assistive Technology for the Indata Project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana. Today for our tech tip, we're going to get cooking with the Brava Oven.
Hello, my name is Zach Selman. I'm the head of product at Brava.
Well, hello, my name is Fernando. I work for the Lighthouse for the Blind and Visually Impaired in San Francisco.
And as we started looking into assistive technology, we quickly realized that the least accessible aspect of the product is the touchscreen on top of the oven. So we started looking into being able to support fully controlling the oven from the phone so that it could work for people that are blind and low vision and that can work with screen readers.
Screen readers. So it changes the behavior of your touchscreen device so that everything you touch on the screen, it will read out loud to you. And that is what enables us to navigate, especially if you're blind or have low vision. There's a lot of guesswork that goes into a cook. Using the Brava takes all the guesswork out of that. I'm going to double tap.
Grilled cheese preset.
And it opens a recipe. From here I can customize the recipe.
Wide selected. 2 additional options available. Quantity. 1 sandwich selected.
So once my recipe has been customized, I will go ahead and send it to the Brava.
Cook was sent to your Brava. Instructions. Prepare ingredient. Use white bread. Add cheese and other fillings as desired. Then close sandwich. Spread butter on both sides of sandwich. Fill zone S on indicated tray. Place white grilled cheese on zones 2. Place the metal tray on the lower shelf and close the door. Press the green button to start cooking.
There we go. Now the cook has begun.
Notification. Brava. Cook complete.
Oh, that smells good. All right.
Grilled cheese cheers.
Grilled cheese cheers.
We're really excited to get this out and in people's hands. And this is just the beginning. We're going to keep working as hard as we can to continue to make this the best way for people to cook at home. So thank you.
Thank you.
That's your tech tip for today. I want to say thank you to the Indiana Telephone Relay Access Corporation for sponsoring our captions today. My name is Brian Norton with the Indata Project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana.